If you're looking for that perfect blend of modern comfort and Northwoods charm, this one is it. This 2-bed, 1-bath shop house built in 2020 sits on just under 10 beautiful wooded acres. Heading inside, you'll find over 1,200 square feet of living space, complete with vaulted wood ceilings, open concept floor plan, a massive kitchen island, and a large bathroom with double sinks and laundry. Oh, and the best part, you've got an 1,100 square foot heated shop for all your tools, toys, and projects. But I think that's enough rambling about the property, and I think it's time to take a tour. What a great property, right? And the best part is, it can be yours. If you'd like more information or would like to set up a private tour of the property, click the link in the description or call or shoot me a text, area code 218-308-1230. This has been Tyler Montgomery with Team Montgomery and 218 Real Estate. Take care.